The entire landscape for vegetation management is changing in a way that I've never seen before. Costs are up, budgets are down, storms are more powerful, workforce talent is harder to come by, but utilities are more on the hook for delivering safe, reliable, and cost-effective power despite these pressures. Some of these challenges have always been there, but now they're compounding in a way that makes operating as usual extremely challenging. If you look at just 5 years ago, it all made sense, right? Utilities have done the best they can with what they had for a very long time, and we've been able to deliver results. Cycle trimming was the best way to manage risk of budgets and reliability, manual inspections, spreadsheets, paper maps. They all made sense because that's mostly what was available. Collaborating through multiple meetings and collecting pages of notes was the consensus way to get to the information to put together work plans. But now we have inflated costs, labor shortages, costly natural disasters, supply chain issues, growing customer expectations on reliability, and a host of other pressures. And it's becoming more difficult to deliver safe, reliable, cost effective power in the way that it's been done. And I only see it getting more difficult from here. So, how will utilities successfully address vegetation management under these conditions? Utilities will be forced to use available technology, or they'll face a decline in their system's reliability, leading to customer and regulatory dissatisfaction. Now, technology has advanced to the point where utilities can collect and analyze substantial amount of data in a fraction of the time it took. This new modern way to approach vegetation management means faster data collection, better analytical capabilities, running operations based on more accurate data, automated dynamic work planning, and increased worker safety. That old phrase, play chess, not checkers, seems appropriate to me. By bringing new technologies like satellites and AI into your program, you gain the ability to collect huge amounts of data, do your planning, budgeting, forecasting, and contract management, all with the help of automation and more accurate data. That's a game changer. We really should look at this from two standpoints. One, from an industry talent standpoint. Senior talent has been retiring across all parts of the business, and finding experienced people to replace them has been difficult. But by bringing in new technology and changing our processes, we're going to start drawing in the next generation of workers. They're going to come in with a new skill set, a new perspective of relying on data and technology to drive decision making, which is going to help optimize costs and operate more efficient. The other place is operationally inside the utility. Industry-wide, we have seen costs skyrocket. Most utilities' budgets have been cut or at the very least stayed flat. There's a ton of pressure on utilities to do more with less and meet reliability standards despite being underfunded and underequipped. Something must give in this condition, and it may be budget, safety, or reliability. The only way a utility can balance all three and start to be proactive instead of reactive is by using all the modern tools and data at their disposal. With satellite and AI, a utility can do that almost instantly. Time is money. And when you can be surgical with your inspections, trimming, grid hardening, and put work plans together with a few clicks, you're saving a ton of time, optimizing costs, and keeping people safe. This is the future of the industry, no question about it. The utilities that adopt this now, learn how to use the tools, and change their processes today, they're the ones that will be set up for success down the road.